Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. I'm so excited to continue our lessons on adding and subtracting, but solving problems about length. So, we're going to continue to think about length and what we know and using different strategies to solve word problems using different math strategies that we've even learned in class before. So let's go ahead and read this problem. Remember, this is a try it problem. Let's get our brains ready. All right, it says read and try to solve the problem below. Micaela has a string of beads that is 56 centimeters long. She cuts off 8 centimeters to make it the right length for the necklace. How long is the string of beads now? Well, I know that good readers reread, even in math. So I'm going to reread. Okay, I got the gist of what this problem is about, but I'm going to go back and kind of find key details. I'm going to find important information in this problem. So let's see the first sentence. It says, Micaela has a string of beads that is 56 centimeters long. I notice that the unit of measurement they're using is centimeters. So her string of beads is 56 centimeters long. And my brain's already visualizing a string that is 56 centimeters long. Okay, my brain. Okay, next sentence. She cuts off 8 centimeters to make it the right length for a necklace. So in my head, I'm already picturing Micaela cutting off 8 centimeters. Okay, she has 56 and she cut off. Okay, next sentence. Let's find out what we need to find. How long is the string of beads now? So they want to know how long it is after she cut off 8 centimeters. Well, I'm going to go back down to the try it. Now that I reread and I found important information and now I know what I need to find, I'm going to use different strategies like bar models and open number lines to solve or find the solution, kind of like in our first lesson. So the first problem I tried, I'm going to use a bar model. Remember, you can use different strategies. So I have 56 centimeters, and then she cut off 8 centimeters. I need the next part. Okay, and then I also I started to use an open number line. I started with 8, and I have 56 on the right side because I know 8 is smaller. It's closer to 0. But this time I'm going to use addition to find my solution. And look, I made a 10 to make jumps until I get to 56. And after you're done, I want you to use a sentence for your solution when you find the centimeters. Go ahead and pause. When you are ready, go ahead and hit play and we'll go on to the next problem. All right. Develop. Let's see. Explore different ways to understand solving problems about length. So here's a problem that we had at our try it problem. Well, let's picture it. Let's see the different strategies that they recommend that we use to help us solve these problems. So picture, you can draw a picture. Ooh, drawing a picture is a strategy. The string of beads is 56 centimeters long. Oh, look, kind of like what I was talking about. Here's the string. You can draw a picture of the string. That's 56 centimeters. And then Micaela cut off 8 centimeters. So there's the 8 that she chopped off. Okay, I pictured in my head. And you can use that to solve your problem. Well, let's look, model it. You can make a bar model. That's kind of what Miss Yanez did when she decided to use that strategy. Is that a strategy that you used? Well, she has 56 centimeters here, and then she has her part of she cut off 8 centimeters. Let's see, model it. You can use an open number line. There's another strategy. Hey, Miss Yanez tried that strategy too. Start at 56, subtract to a tens number, and subtract the rest. So they decided to subtract on the number line, but I decided to add. But remember, we talked about addition and subtraction are related. So that means that you can add and subtract to find the solution. So they subtracted because they are getting closer to 0. Okay. That's another strategy. Go ahead and check your strategy and see what strategy that you used. All right, connect it. Now you will use the problem from the try it problem to help you understand to solve problems about length. So let's look at number 1. Look at the models on the previous page. Write a subtraction equation you can use to solve the problem. So Up here, her bead was 56 centimeters and she cut off 8 centimeters. So my equation is 56 take away 8, and that would give you your solution. And I hope you wrote that on your try it problem. I hope you are finding your solution. 2. Explain how the jumps on the number line show that Micaela cut off 8 centimeters. Well, if you look up here at this one, she jumped 6 and then she jumped 2. Jump to the left shows subtraction because that means you're getting closer to 0. A jump to the 6 gets to a tens number. So that's why she jumped 6, she got to 50. And then jump 2 more to take away a total of 8. So she took 2 more away and she got 48 because 6 plus 2 is 8. And she cut off 8 centimeters. All right, how long is the string of beads now? And you're going to write your solution right here. 4. How much shorter is a string of beads? Oh, this problem you're going to try on your own. How much shorter is a string of beads that is 34 centimeters long than a string that is 56 centimeters long? Explain how you found your answer. So you're going to look at 34 centimeters. It's longer than 56 centimeters. Are you picturing it? Are you going to add or subtract? And how can you use addition and subtraction in solving this problem? And number 5, our final problem is reflect. Look back at your try it. So that one's the very first one. Which models or strategies do you like best for solving problems about length? So you're going to write or you're going to explain what strategy you like best. So for Miss Yanis, I really love using number lines. So I would write down here why I like to use an open number line. Boys and girls, I hope this helped and I hope you have a fantastic day.